There has been a flash flood in Kalwansinghpur of Raigada in the rivers of Naga Valley and Kalyani. The State Control Room in SRC's office is tracking the situation closely. UDRAF and Odisha Fire Services, CRPF are in the spot and doing rescue and relief work. The Indian Army representatives and Indian Air Force helicopters is being mobilized. The district collector is in direct charge of the situation. Instructions have been issued to take all immediate measures to ensure rescue and relief and other mitigation measures. No efforts will be spared to ensure safety of the people. The Development Commissioner has been directed to coordinate with all departments. RDC Southern Division and Range DIG have been instructed to closely monitor the situation.